Hey, it's Anna with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect gift to send to someone who's having a little bit of a hard time? This candle from Moonlight Makers is perfect.
Sometimes life really kicks you in the teeth, and I love this candle that says, "When life gives you a dumpster fire, roast marshmallows." It could not be any more perfect. I am so pleased with how high quality this candle is. It is 100% cotton wick. It is natural soy wax. It has the most amazing smell. It really does smell like chocolate brownies. And look how beautiful this packaging is. It would make the perfect gift for someone who's going through something or even just for yourself. I love how it has a really long burn time. And I just have to say, this is the perfect candle. I love everything about it. Moonlight Makers has absolutely nailed this.
So send somebody a little bit of a pick-me-up or get one for yourself. I love this candle. It smells amazing and it's guaranteed to make you smile. And that is my point of view.